Hi guys, Tom here. As a professional athlete, food and nutrition is a big part of my life. But what many people don't know is that I actually love to cook. My dad loved his cooking and he is why I love being in the kitchen. Most of my family's best memories are around the dinner table, sharing stories and fighting over that last pork chop. Having my family over for dinner or a Sunday barbecue is a great opportunity to catch up with everyone and recreate those fond memories. I love how my smart connected Thermomix makes it faster and easier to feed a hungry crowd. And the on-screen, step-by-step instructions help me feel confident to try something new. With the new barbecue Thermomix cookbook, I've now got even more ideas on what to make for family at the next barbecue. And this time I reckon there'll be an arm wrestle over the last barbecue pork rib. And this little gadget, the Meter Plus, just like the Thermomix, is a smart connected device that means I can cook everyone's meat perfectly every time. It even sends me a notification to let me know when the meat's cooked, which means I can spend more time with my family. And let's be honest, that's what it's all about. So if you want to see how these three things can help you create the ultimate barbecue, then you've got to book the Thermomix cooking experience. You wouldn't believe how good it is to get some mates around, eat some good food from the barbecue cookbook, and have a play around with the new TM6 and the Meter Plus.